Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I make videos twice a week, so on Tuesdays and on Fridays. Today's look is a Christmas burgundy red glittery smoky look, so perfect for those Christmas parties. So let's get started. Taking the Revolution Pro All That Glistens eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the light peachy shade first, so that one there on a big fluffy brush from blank canvas. I think it's the A28. I'll have them all linked down below. This is just basically a transitional shade just to help all the other colours blend in together. And also underneath, like take what I do on top underneath. Then taking the darker kind of warm reddish peachy shade. I want it to be quite warm in the crease, blending out. And just putting it in the same areas using the same brush. I'm taking that peachy burnt orange shade and mixing it with a plum shade on a JCat small defining crease brush, taking it into the outer V area first and just taking it into the crease as well. These are the starting colours for a smoky eye, so I'm making sure just to really build that colour up and blend it out. So it's just basically adding depth into the eye look. Making sure to take that slightly onto the eyelid space just to create some depth, and I'm trying to make it look nice and warm around the edges, so it's kind of like that reddish kind of burnt orange shade, plums, and just like obviously around the lid shade, but I'm making sure it's nice and kind of warm and smoky. I'm now taking that black shade on a JCat defining detail brush, just taking it onto the outer V area and slightly into the crease. Basically the same areas we've placed them plum and burnt orange shades, but even just slower. I'm mainly making sure it's nice and dark around that outer corner, outer V area, because I want it to be smoky there, and then blend it out nice and kind of burnt orange reddish round the crease, and obviously red on the lid, but I'm taking it underneath my eyes too. Taking that defining crease brush which we use for the plum and burnt orange shade, I'm just going over that black and making sure it's blended out and diffused so it's not harsh looking. Like I want to have nice depth but also be blended, so creating like just blending the colours together. And then I'm taking the blank canvas blending brush just to go around the edges of the eye look, just to reinstate that really light peachy colour, just so it's nice and warm. Just make sure it's blended and built up to your desire, so whatever like way you like to have your smoky eye. The key is always building and blending. I'm doing the same, just taking just different brushes I've used and with no other product on them, just building and blending. I'm taking the Illuminator pressed pigment in the shade Furore. It's basically a stunning red glitter shade on a JCat flat brush. I'm just taking it on the lid space, so the space we haven't put any product, but I'm also kind of blending it on that black. I want that red shade to really pop and also to show through where the black is, not so much over it, just slightly, just to make sure it's nice and blended. I'm just packing this on. No fixed brush or anything, it's just the way it is naturally, so it is without any kind of extra product. It's really pigmented, obviously it is pigment. Taking it underneath the eyes, like the inner half of it. And then for the fun part, the glitter, taking that red glitter from that Revolution Pro All That Glistens palette and just taking my ring finger and making sure just to pat it onto the centre of the eyelid to create a slight halo effect and just blend it out. Taking the Gerard Cosmetics highlighting palette, I'm taking Grace on a wee flat but fluffy eyeshadow brush on the brow bones and also the inner corners, just to really make sure those areas pop. I like to have a nice bright brow bone and inner corner, and you can see how bright that is. So yep. I did my eyeliner and mascara off camera. I used Rimmel, Scandaleyes, waterproof eyeliner pencil, JCat Beauty, liquid eyeliner and Benefit Royal Lash mascara. I love the way the eye look turned out, so gorgeous. I'm going to contour my face using my Benefit Hoola bronzer. It's a mini size on the blank canvas F33 contour brush, just really making sure to carve out them cheekbones, sides of the forehead and also the jawline, because it's a Christmas party, you want your whole contour, your whole face to look snatched, so I like to just really make sure my contour is snatched, so yeah. In the Gerard Cosmetics Honeymoon blush palette, I'm taking that blush in the middle, it's a nice berry shade, on a unicorn blush brush, just applying it to my cheeks. And then I'm going to take that Gerard Cosmetics Starlet palette, I'm taking the darker shade on the same areas with a different brush, just to really make sure that area looks luminous. I want a luminous glow, especially for Christmas parties. And then I'm mixing the lighter two shades together, just on the same brush to apply to the high points of my face, so cheekbones, sides of the forehead, nose and Cupid's bow, just to really make sure glow, you know. To set all that makeup in place, I'm taking my Avon Mark setting spray, just a load of that on my face, and you want to make sure you fan that because that stuff is like going for a swim. It is so strong and so wet, so fan that face. I'm using my Primark lip liner, I'm not sure what it's called, I think it's called Vamp or something, or Oxblood. Then I'm taking my Gerard Cosmetics Underworld liquid lipstick, it's a metal matte range, and it's gorgeous. It is Christmas in a liquid lip. I'm just applying it all over the lips just to really give me an impact burgundy wine deep glittery liquid lip. I love it. And that's the completed look. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again in my next one. Stay gorgeous. Bye.